Choo-choo.
Will you hold the woolly bear?
No,
Why?
it is. So it can.
Come hold him.
You didn't see me.
Give me your hand. Ready? You don't want to hold him? Alright, here we go. What are you doing?
It's up.
Do you want to hold him?
No.
Why?
It's up.
Why don't you want to hold the woolly bear? Here. Uh-oh, he fell. Why don't you hold the woolly bear?
Just
Because why?
what is the beer? Oh, choo-choo.
He's coming to get you?
Okay. Why now?
Hold him.
No.
Why?
Why? Sam Pam.
Because you're going to pet him?
No.
No? Alright.